This video covers endpoint agents in ThousandEyes, including what they are, how to install them on Mac and Windows, and how to use the single agent view for troubleshooting. In today's digital environment, applications run in the cloud and employees are more distributed than ever, making it harder to monitor the end-user experience of SaaS and internally hosted services. To address this challenge, ThousandEyes Endpoint Experience uses the Endpoint Agent, a lightweight application installed on Windows, Mac, compatible mobile devices, and supported device integrations such as Cisco Room OS or Phone OS devices. Endpoint agents collect network and application performance data directly from the end user's client, providing critical last-mile visibility. With this data, you can better understand each employee's experience with applications and the underlying network, covering Wi-Fi, LAN, internet connectivity, and more. Endpoint Experience offers two license options for end-user monitoring: Advantage and Essentials. With the Advantage license, you can run up to 10 concurrent tests per agent with 30 days of data retention, whereas the Essentials license supports up to 4 concurrent tests per agent and 14 days of data retention. To add a new endpoint agent, go to Endpoint Experience, then Agent Settings and click Add New Endpoint Agent. There are two types of agents available: Endpoint Agent and Endpoint Agent Pulse. While both consume the same license cost, Endpoint Agent Pulse doesn't include real user test features. It removes browser session data collection to meet stricter corporate security requirements. You have several options for installing the Endpoint Agent. You can download the installer directly and follow the installation guide, generate a download link to share with users, or distribute the package centrally using software management tools like Intune, Monkey, or Group Policy. For more deployment methods and detailed steps, refer to the ThousandEyes documentation. Once installed, the Endpoint Agent will automatically appear in the Agent Settings page, registered under the current account group. You can also transfer the agent's ownership to another account group whenever needed. Let's walk through the installation process for the Endpoint Agent, starting with Mac. For Mac OS, two installer options are available: x64 and ARM64. Download the .pkg installer for your system, run the installer, and follow the prompts. When the account configuration window appears, you'll need to provide a connection string from your account group. Once you complete the setup, the agent will automatically register and appear in the agent list within about 5 minutes. For Windows installation, download the .msi file and run the installer. During the custom setup, you'll see an option to install the browser extension. If you plan to run real user tests, you'll need the browser extension installed. Note that if your organization manages Chrome or Edge extensions through Group Policy, install those extensions separately to avoid conflicts. Refer to the ThousandEyes documentation for details on Group Policy deployment. During installation, you'll provide the connection string from your account group. After the installation completes, the agent will register to your account automatically. With an agent installed, you can use the single agent view to monitor and troubleshoot individual endpoints. The single agent view provides endpoint data for a single agent, giving you visibility to troubleshoot issues even if you have limited technical expertise. The agent views is divided into two main sections: Agent Details, which shows general information about the agent, along with a search function to quickly locate it, and Agent Experience, which includes local network data, monitored applications, and a timeline range selector for troubleshooting. Within the Agent Experience section, performance is summarized through several progressive visuals that guide the troubleshooting process: Timeline Range Selector, Summary Cards, Multimetric Timeline, and Segment Visualization. The Timeline Range Selector lets you adjust the time window for analysis using either relative intervals like the last hour or fixed intervals for specific times. The Summary Cards show internet access and application performance based on the tests running on the agent. You can see more detailed information by selecting Advanced Heat Map. On the left, you'll see parameters like agent, connection, gateway, VPN, and the applications being monitored. Each row displays performance for the selected time range, with colors from white for good to red for poor. You can also select one or multiple columns to quickly identify and analyze issues in more detail. The multimetric timeline shows the performance of selected tests within a chosen time range. By default, the application score is displayed, combining all application metrics into a single value for quick understanding. You can choose multiple metrics from the dropdown, with each metric representing a different aspect of network and application performance. Analyzing multiple metric results together streamlines the process of identifying where issues occur. The Log tab provides insights into network changes detected by the agent, helping you understand its overall condition. The log table records entries when the following events are triggered: Wi-Fi connection, disconnection, or change, VPN session connection or disconnection, and agent status going online or offline. By reviewing these events, you can quickly determine if a shift in network conditions may have impacted the user's experience. The segment visualization provides a detailed view of the complete network journey for a selected round in the timeline, from the endpoint agent to the destination application. The path is broken down into segments such as agent, connection, gateway, VPN, proxy, internet, and application. Each segment is color-coded, green for healthy performance and red for issues. By clicking on a segment, you can drill down into the raw metrics that explain the problem, identifying exactly which part of the path is causing performance degradation. In this video, you learned what endpoint agents are, why they matter, how to install them on Mac and Windows, and how to use endpoint agent views in ThousandEyes for troubleshooting. Endpoint agents give you last-mile visibility into the end-user experience, helping you find and fix issues faster. Thanks for watching.